Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Pōkiha me Te Taika by Aesop. There are two kupuhou in the kōrero. The first is pūrere, and it means to flee or escape. Anei te tauira. Kua pūrere te mauhere. The prisoner has escaped. Our second kupu is hopi, and it means intimidated, panic-stricken, scared, or dismayed. E hopi ana te tāne I te rahi o te mahi. The man is dismayed by the large amount of work. Kia areare mai o taringa, listen out for these kupuhou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Pōkiha me te Taika, nā Aesop. I te ripoinga a tētahi pūkenga kai kōpere ki te ngahere, ka kino te pai o tāna hei pū I hāna kōpere, ka pūrere ai ngā nauwhea, he hopi nō rātou. Engari anō te Taika, ka mea atu ki a rātou kia kore e mataku, tā te mea ka pakanga tia takitahi tia te hoariri e ia. Me te hāno ka pūrere ke ko ia I o rātou whenua. Nā wai puta ngā kōrero nei, ka o kaina kētia o nā rara ki te kōpere. Ka nanakia tā te Pōkiha ui atu ki ona whakaaro mo te hoariri. Tā te Taika whakahoki, nonoke ana I te mamae. Hei tāku, kua pōhehe ke au. Ko te kiko te kōrero, koia te hiringa I te mōhio. The Fox and the Tiger by Aesop. A skillful archer coming into the woods directed his arrows so well that the beasts fled in dismay. The tiger, however, told them not to be afraid, for he would singly engage their enemy and drive him from their domain. He had scarcely spoken when an arrow pierced his ribs and lodged in his side. The fox asked him, slyly, what he thought of his opponent now. Replied the tiger, writhing with pain. I feel that I was mistaken in my reckoning. The moral being, knowledge is power. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. We have some brand new Patreon news today. If you're looking for a way to support Whakamiere, we have a brand new tier on Patreon for those of you who want to tautoko but don't mind too much about the other perks. There's now a $2 tier. That's just 6 cents a day to help keep the podcast ad-free. You can also purchase digital copies of the stories from every one of our Paki Waitara episodes without needing to subscribe. Simply visit the Whakamiere Patreon page and head over to the shop tab. You'll find all the Paki Waitara there. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in a non-pūtau way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your podcast app. It really makes a big difference. A big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters, without whom this podcast could not be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn all about the subscriptions. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email whakamiere@gmail.com. Ko taurapa au, e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.